So this is the new Toniebox Lite. It's the newest entry in the Toniebox family. It's the least expensive, but still highly versatile screen-free kids toy. The idea of the Toniebox, if you're not familiar, is to provide a toy that kids can use on their own that's screen-free. The way it works is they sell these figurines, and the figurines have like RFIDs in the bottom, and the Toniebox has a magnetic top and is connected to the internet. So when a kid gets the figure and you pop it on the top and then turn it on, it basically downloads the content for that figure. So each figure has its own story and songs, or however the content is put together, and the Toniebox Mini can be used by kids without having to use a screen. And the real genius of the Toniebox is that it's screen free, so kids can use it without having to be in front of a screen all day long. So it's a nice toy for them to be able to use, and I have tons of reviews of the Toniebox figures, which I'll link to below. So let's dive into how the Toniebox Lite works, and we'll compare it also against the Toniebox 1 and the Toniebox 2. Let's dive in. Here's the Toniebox Lite. This is the new entry into the Toniebox family. As you can tell, it is lighter, it is smaller, but most importantly, it is much cheaper. As of the taping of this video, here's the price comparison on the screen, but it is much less expensive, so it's more competitive with other screen-free devices that are out there that you can readily pick up at Target and Walmart. It is plastic. It's not made of the soft, cushy material that Toniebox 2 and Toniebox 1 are made of. It does not come with a charging cable or a charging brick. It does have a USB-C port, which you would use to charge, but you need your own USB-C cable and USB-C brick to charge it. You boot it up same way. You pinch one of the ears there to boot it up.
Hills with overgrown paths.
You have the same volume up,
and everything
volume down, skip, skip back, tilt to fast forward or rewind.
He had to set Christmas. Jack ran as he passed over.
So those features are the same. There's really not much difference there. The big thing is it doesn't play the games that Toniebox 2 plays. So Toniebox 2 has these games that came out as a separate way to play it. They require the Toniebox 2. They don't work on Toniebox 1, and they don't work on the new Toniebox Lite. So that's the big difference. Toniebox Lite and Toniebox 2, neither one of them have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So Toniebox 1 had the old style, I don't know if you can see that, the old style headphone jack that was like on the Sony Walkmans and disc players and all that. It was analog, and Toniebox 2 didn't have that. It has USB-C headphones or Bluetooth. Toniebox Lite's the same. You can use the Bluetooth headphones or the USB-C headphone adapter. Speaking of Bluetooth, Toniebox Lite does have the Bluetooth as well, so it's really easy to set up. So in terms of battery, the Toniebox 1 had a built-in nickel metal hydride battery. Pretty much built-in means, I think, not replaceable, and I'll tell you why in a second. And according to the support website on Tonies.com, this one, Toniebox 1's battery was about 7 hours. Now the Toniebox 2 battery was a replaceable battery, so that was a step up. It was a replaceable lithium iron phosphate battery, so that's supposed to be better, I guess. And they estimate on the support website that this thing had a 9-hour battery life in terms of fully charged. The Toniebox Mini ships with a 4 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery, but at the time of this recording, they don't have how long that battery is going to last with continuous play posted on the support website yet. So when I figure that out, I'll add it to the comments and pin it to the top so you can get an idea how long that battery is going to last. Now again, some more comparisons here. Let's put it right here. Toniebox 1 had 8 gig of storage, so offline storage. Once you put Tony on, it downloads the content to the box, and you can use it off of Wi-Fi. Toniebox 2 quadrupled that, 32 gigabytes of storage, so you had more offline content available. And in terms of the Toniebox Mini, we'll post that and pin it to the comments, because right now I could not find it on the website. As soon as I find it, I'll put a slide in here or a comment so that you can see how much storage that one has. Toniebox 1 Wi-Fi was 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi only. So if you had a dual band router at home, it wouldn't work. You had to set it to 2.4 gigahertz to get it to join. Toniebox 2 has the 2.4 or 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and Toniebox Lite carries on with that same technology. So it's very versatile, works on different home Wi-Fi networks. Toniebox 1 had no Bluetooth. Toniebox 2 and Toniebox Lite both have the Bluetooth, and the setup is super easy. And I'll add the setup to the end of the video or post it as a separate video if anybody's interested. I'll put links below. The Tony 1 had no battery indicator. You had no idea when it was going to jam out on you. The Toniebox 2 and the Toniebox Lite have a battery life in the app, and it can send you notifications when the battery's getting low, so you know when to recharge it, which is cool. That's handy to have. The Toniebox Lite has a sleep timer, but it doesn't have the wake up timer or the sleep sunrise sunset lights that the Toniebox 2 has. Just to compare that, the Toniebox 1 had no sleep timer and has no lights. The Toniebox 2 really shines in this area with the sunrise and sunset timers, as well as the lights that go with it that gradually dim and gradually come up. And the Toniebox Lite has no lights at all, which is ironic because it's called the Toniebox Lite. And with the Wi-Fi, all three of these can remember up to 6 Wi-Fi networks. So if you have one in your car, one in your home, one at daycare, one at Grandma and Pop's, the Toniebox Lite can remember up to 6 Wi-Fi networks, just like the other two.
This one has a more daycare. And when you sit down and just try your best.
So that's pretty much how they compare. Toniebox Lite, let's do a quick sound check. Okay, we'll put Jack on the Toniebox Lite and crank it up.
Sally and Santa strapped to a table.
Come with us and you will see this our town of Halloween.
Okay, now try it on the Toniebox Original.
The holiday worlds of old. Now, you've probably wondered where holidays come from. If you haven't, I'd say it's time you begun.
That all manner of scary monsters called home.
Now let's try it on the Toniebox 2.
A realm that all manner of scary monsters called home. Crumbling tombstones, windswept hills with overgrown paths leading to creaky metal gates. And everything was covered in cobwebs. There were monsters there of all shapes and sizes. And
I think, for what it's worth, this is my opinion, the Toniebox 2 has a slightly better range than the Toniebox 1 and the Toniebox Lite. They all have formidable speakers that can get pretty high volume and really fill the area, but I think the Toniebox 2, to my ear anyway, and it's an opinion only, has a slightly better range than the other two. So again, your Tonies that you have work obviously across all 3 boxes, and the Toniebox Lite, again, doesn't have a light surface like the Toniebox 2, but it does have this little indicator light. I don't know if that's focused in or not. Between the 2 ears, there's an indicator light that tells you different things. Right now it's green because it's on and it has charge. This one, the Toniebox 2, has the really cool light ring. So that's our review of the Toniebox Lite. It's smaller, it's definitely less expensive, and it looks like it's just as versatile. If you're not playing the games, it's probably a good buy in terms of the price point. If you're thinking of buying a Toniebox Lite, please consider using the affiliate link below, because it does help our channel out. We pay for these things out of pocket. There's no endorsements, but that's how you get the real review. That's how you get unedited content on YouTube, is by doing it yourself. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with somebody else, and thanks again for watching.